Today's recipe: spiced apple cake. Honey glaze. Step 1. Sift the flour and spice rub in the butter until the mixture resembles fine breadcrumbs. Add the castor sugar and sultanas. Add 1 egg to 100 milliliters milk and beat well. Add to the dry ingredients and mix to a soft consistency. Apple to medium cored and sliced. Second step. Place half the mixture into the cake tin cover with chopped apples, then the remaining mixture. Decorate with apples. Bake at 190 C 375 F Mark 5 for 45 to 50 minutes. Spiced apple cake is ready. Glaze with warm honey. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching this video.